Okay. Right, so it's a bit of a hand bone test of the VUZE XR, but what I'm trying to do is prove a point that when I've got hands in front of me, you can actually use this for recording procedures or demonstrations and actually get a pretty good effect in the 3D. Now, in this instance, I've drawn a simple cartoon. There's a guy here on his motorbike and lots of smoke around him. Now, for those of you who know what different types of motorbikes there are, you'll note that this one is actually a two-stroke engine, so hence it burns oil in with the petrol as a form of lubrication to the engine, so hence you get a bit of blue smoke out the back. Normally you wouldn't get anywhere near this amount of smoke, but in the olden days, the old classic bikes where you mixed oil with the petrol, you invariably got a blue haze coming out of it. Now, I'm not overly happy with this image at the moment because this character here is talking to this guy, and I'd rather have it incidental so that this guy will actually probably be talking to a friend, a colleague or whatever there, and they'll be saying, oh look, Colin's got the mix wrong again, or something like that, which I think is probably going to be a bit better. So this character will change significantly over the next few hours, and he'll be talking to a colleague here. Now, what I should have done is put the drawing a bit more over this way because there's a lot of empty space over here. So I could redraw it again. It might be that I will do that, but invariably there'll be another character going in here, and the smoke haze will come back about here. But that should give you an idea of where this drawing is going at the moment. So this has just been my quick test to see how things look in 3D at this closer range. The next step will be to offload this into the computer, run it through the mill, put it on the Oculus Go, and see what it comes out like.